Hi, Worldcoin trader. Today levels can decide profit or loss. Watch this full video before taking up any decision. So in this video, I'll be showing Worldcoin important support and resistance on different time frames, and along with safe bullish and various scenarios. Watch till the end for most important levels. So before going into the details, I would like to talk about the BTC. First, let's quickly check the BTC because Altcoin follow Bitcoin. So you can see that I'm in the weekly chart, and you can see already the breakout has happened. So candles have started moving in upward direction. So previously you can see the downtrend was going on, and then you can see the breakout happened, and now it is moving in an upward direction. So from here, after this candles went to the resistance level, now the fall is taking place. The candles are coming down towards the support level. Okay, and once the breakout happens, again the candles may go up, fall. So like this, it may move in this channel pattern. So previously also you can see after this breakout, you can see the candles went up to the resistance level, then fall, again went up. Now fall is taking place. After breakout, may go up, fall. Like this, it may move in a upward direction, and towards this it may go until this resistance level, okay, around 132k, and then fall may take place. So basically the bullies are active now, so they are pushing the price to go up to this resistance level. Previously also you can see after this fall, breakout happened, then candles started moving up, and then the breakout happened, candles came down support. Now it is pushing the price to go up. Okay, and always have a stop loss to prevent any major losses. So okay, so that is very important. And also you can see RSI is also confirming that the candles may move in an upward direction, and it is moving also in the chart. Okay, so now we'll go to the Worldcoin or WLD coin, and you can see that I'm in the monthly chart. So let us draw the trend line. So you can see this is the support trend line. Okay, and you can see this is the support. So let me draw it properly. So this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. Okay, so within this channel pattern only the candles are moving. Okay, you can see that, and it started from support, went to resistance, and then fall happened. So I'll be talking about different time frames, so you can find the opportunities in all these time frames. So I'm in the monthly chart. So if you draw the trend line here, you can see continuously the candles are falling in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the support. Okay, you can see that very clearly. So this is the support, and this is the resistance. Okay, so currently you can see candles are moving in this channel pattern. Okay, so this is the resistance, and this is the support, and there is a resistance over here. Okay, so let me draw it. Okay, so this is the resistance here, and after the candles went up to the resistance level, continuously the fall started. Okay, and you can see continuously the candles are falling now in this channel pattern. So this is support and resistance. So always try the previous records, how the candles are moving. Based on that you can decide the future. So if you go to the weekly chart also, you can see after this fall, the breakout happened, candles went up, fall, again the candles have gone up, and then you can see the fall is taking place. So if you draw the trend line, okay, so you can see this is the support trend line, and this is the resistance trend line. So within this channel pattern only the fall may take place. In case there is a breakout happen, it may move to the resistance level, which is around 2.2, and then fall may take place. So like this, the candles may move in this channel pattern. In weekly chart you can see that. Okay, since you can see the after this fall, you can see breakout happened. Okay, so candles have gone up, so RSI is also confirming that. So from here the fall may take place. After breakout, it may go to the resistance level. So like this, it may move in channel pattern. Okay, if you go to the daily chart also, you can see that candles were moving in this channel pattern. After the candles went up, okay, and then fall happened. Okay, continuously fall happened, and after the breakout, candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so you can see that continuously fall is happening, and after the breakout, candles may go to the resistance level, so which is around you can see 1.9, then fall may take place. So like this, it may fall in this downtrend channel pattern, and in case there is a breakout happen from this resistance level, then it may move to the resistance level, which is over here around 7.9. okay, so like this it may move. If there is a breakout happen, it may go to the resistance level. Okay, then fall may take place. So like this it may move, and after the breakout it may start moving towards the resistance level. Okay, so you can see that, and since the fall is happening, RSI is also falling. You can see that it is in the over sold zone, so it is falling continuously, and when there is a breakout happen, then candles may start moving in a upward direction. Okay, so continuously the candles are falling now in this downtrend channel pattern, and if the breakout happen, it may go up, fall may take place. So like this the candles are falling in this downtrend channel pattern, and after breakout you can see it may move to the resistance level, and then fall may take place. Okay, so now we'll go to the 4 hours chart. You can see continuously the candles are moving towards the resistance level. Okay, and you can see that it is almost at the resistance level. So continuously the candles were falling, and then it has started moving in this channel pattern little sideways, and you can see this is the resistance and this is support. Candles may come down to support here, and then after the breakout it may go to the resistance level, which is around 0.83700, and the support level is 0.44260. okay, so this is support, and then if the breakout happens, it may move to the resistance level, which is over here. Okay, and okay, so you can see that very clearly. And if you go to the 3 hours chart also, you can see the same thing. Okay, and candles are moving in this channel pattern. Okay, and you can see that after the candles went up, continuously the candles were falling. Okay, and then after the breakout you can see candles went up, then fall, and then it has started moving towards the resistance level. Okay, here, and then fall started. Okay, so like this it is moving in this channel pattern. Okay, so now we'll talk about other details about this cryptocurrency. So you can see the current price is around $0.5411. It is down by 2%. Rank is around 51. Around 226k users are following this cryptocurrency. Market cap is $1.48 billion, and the volume in 24 hours is 66.2 million, but that is 0.11% down, and the total supply is 10 billion WLD coin, and holders are around 1.34 million, and circulating supply is 2.738 WLD coin. Okay, so now we'll go to the chart. So now I'm in the weekly chart, and you can see candles are falling, and after breakout may go to the resistance level, then fall may take place. So now we'll go to the 3 hours chart. You can see when the candles are falling, here also you can see some opportunity if you're working on this 3 hours chart, and you can see after the fall the candles went up, again the fall is happening, so it may come down support, and then it may start moving in the upward direction. Okay, so you can see that. Okay, so currently you can see fall is happening, and I've drawn the trend line. So this is the support and this is the resistance. So within this channel pattern only the fall is taking place. After the breakout it may start moving towards the resistance level. Okay, and never enter a trade without stop loss. Capital protection is more important than profit. Suppose if you are seeing an opportunity here, and suppose there is a breakout happens, so continuously the candles were falling. Okay, and then after the breakout you can see the candle started moving up. So if you're taken this opportunity here, then you'd have gone here and you could have made a profit. Okay, so like this it may happen here also. After the breakout it may go up, and after hitting resistance that candles may come down. Okay, so like this it is moving. So I think I've covered all the time frames. So that's all for now. I hope you like this video. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and now click the video on screen where I explain the next important crypto setup in details. Don't miss it. This video is for educational purpose only, no financial advice. Do your research before you take up any decision. Thank you.